All right, guys, time for another air fryer recipe. I've had so many of you guys ask me, what do I do? What do I put in there? I love putting veggie patties in there. Those work great. I don't have to do anything, but I'm really craving some, my mouth's watering, buffalo cauliflower bites. So what you're gonna need is cauliflower. Of course, you could use fresh, but I have these in the freezer, so I'm gonna use these. Frank's Red Hot is the winner for this. Little maple syrup for sweetness. A little bit of oil. You can use avocado oil. I've got olive oil. Use your favorite oil. Sea salt, cornstarch, and you could use nutritional yeast if you want more of like a cheesy flavor. So that's what I've got. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna mix all of these ingredients in the bowl, and then we're gonna toss the cauliflower in, and then we're going to line the bottom of my air fryer pan, and we may do this in 2 batches. So here we go. All right, we're gonna start with 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and a quarter of a teaspoon of sea salt. All right, I'm gonna add 3 tablespoons of Frank's Red Hot. Start off small and, increase as you go, because if you can't handle a lot of heat, it could really mess with you, but I love it. So I'm gonna do 3 spoons of oil going in and 1.5 of maple syrup. Teaspoons, that is. Okay, so real life recipe happening right now. I just figured it needed a little something since I didn't have the nutritional yeast. So I added a little bit of panko because that seems to work well in the air fryer, probably about a tablespoon or 2, just to, you can kind of see the crunch that's gonna add there. So let's just fill up this air fryer. All right, I thought I was gonna have to do it in 2 batches, but I didn't. I was able to fill just the bottom of this. So let's go to the air fryer. We're gonna put this in at 360 for 12 to 15 minutes. Since mine hasn't been heating up, I'm gonna put it right here. We'll see what it looks like. All right, I have to say it's smelling good. Let's see what it looks like. Yes, look at that. Oh, it looks delicious. Cannot wait to eat. Let's see what I was talking about with the containers. This is a green container. I've got my spinach here. And so what I do is I try to smush in as much as I can. Probably could put in a little bit more, but still being able to put the lid on it. And I didn't bring the lid out, but you'll see how much spinach this really is. Amazing how much food you can fit in there. So I'm just gonna put my cauliflower on top of this bed of spinach. So here we go, yum. All right guys, there is my healthy lunch. I'm gonna have a big bed of spinach with some amazing cauliflower, super excited, and some more water, because I'm gonna fill this up 3 times. It's like 30 something ounces, so there's Kona. So I'm gonna have it 3 times today. There we go. And that cauliflower actually filled up 2 of these. So I'll have this tomorrow, and I'll just heat it up in the air fryer again for like 2-3 minutes just to get it hot, but it's really nice and crispy.